We're all cleaning the house today. We don't clean it every Saturday, but today is different. Jane's sister is coming to visit.
What does your sister do?
She's a student.
What's she studying?
Film studies.
Gosh, that sounds interesting. There, finished.
Actually, there's
Oh. What time is she arriving?
2:30. I'm going to my yoga class and then I'm meeting her at the station.
Hello? Can you turn that off?
What?
Can you turn that off?
Hang on a minute. What did you say?
Never mind. Hello?
Hello, can I speak to Jane, please?
Certainly. Who's calling?
It's Alison, her sister.
Just a moment. Jane? It's your sister.
Why is she calling now? It's only 12 o'clock. Hello? Ali? Where are you?
Hi, Jane, I'm at the station.
But you're 2.5 hours early.
I know, I got the first train.
Ali, I can't meet you. I have a yoga class at 12:30.
That's okay, I can come to your house by bus.
No, it's too difficult. Hold on. Can anybody meet my sister? My yoga class starts in 20 minutes.
I can.
I can.
I can.
Please. I hate cleaning.
Okay. Hello, Ali. Matt can meet you. There's a cafe near the station, the Rose Cafe. Why don't you wait there?
Okay.
Can you meet Ali at the Rose Cafe?
Sure. What does she look like?
Hold on, Ali. She's quite tall and she has long, dark brown hair.
What's she wearing?
Hello, Ali. What are you wearing?
I'm wearing a cream coat and a black sweater.
She's wearing a cream coat and a black sweater. Sorry? Hold on. How long?
About 15 minutes.
About 15 minutes. And listen, any problems, call me on my mobile.
Okay. See you later. Bye.
Sorry. Hello?
Jane, it's Alison.
Where is he? Isn't he there?
What does he look like?
He has dark hair and a beard.
Oh, hang on, is he wearing a black leather jacket and black jeans? It's okay, he's here. See you later. Bye.
Bye. Sorry. Sorry. Sorry.
Just go away. Sorry. I think there's some mistake. Matt, I'm Alison. Nice to meet you.
Oh, I'm so sorry. Hi. I thought...
It's okay. Let's go. Sorry about that.
Sorry I was late. I got a flat tire.
No problem.
The car's just around the corner. What's the matter?
Why are you carrying that bag?
It's your bag, isn't it?
No.
Then who?
He's wearing black jeans and a black leather jacket. Yes. And he's carrying my bag.
We met Alison that afternoon.
Oh, at last. How are you?
Sorry, that evening. After Matt's conversation with the police.